our research focuses on 3D bioprinting of living tissues and organs. So instead of printing non-living inert materials, we print living cells. This is called a microvalve-based bioprinter or a droplet-based bioprinter, where we shoot the droplets on a surface. So that's how we made stratify skin tissue. But the critical thing here is we can trigger the formation of the hair follicles too. So this was something that was not really expected at the beginning, but it has a lot of implications, both the cosmetic side as well as the biology. So the ultimate goal is not just to create those musculoskeletal tissues like bone and skin cartilage. We need to focus on like solid organs like lung, right, the heart, the kidney, right. Those are going to be really life-saving. Previously, my interest was in 3D printing, so when I learned about how we can apply 3D printing into tissue engineering and create new tissues was very exciting. The interdisciplinary research that we're doing, right, integrating biology, chemistry, engineering, medicine, it will save lives.